So let's get a moratorium on new towers so we could vote on that. And,
Sure, we can work on that.
but yeah, I think it would be great to look at if we can get out before 2027.
The resolution passed by Temecula Valley specifically states they do currently, like us, have cell towers on their campuses, and they will have no more. So we could look at passing that resolution.
Perfect. I love when other districts do the heavy lifting for us. Yeah. Jaden, Philip, do either of you have any strong feelings about how's the cell coverage at CASA? Are there any dead zones? Subpar. Even with a tower right there, it's not good coverage. So what are we getting? Yeah.
Like, I'm a student athlete and I condition on that field all the time. And I play in the basketball gym, I play in the baseball field, and I've never heard about really any of the consequences of having a cell tower. So I really appreciate like the insight that you guys bring, because like this has not been like aware to me, and all my friends, they all condition on that field year round. So that could really drastically affect all our health in like the long term. So
I would just like to echo what Philip said. I mean, I was never aware of this issue. I didn't know this was existing on our campuses. And I think if students knew what the potential consequences are of being on these fields, it would be clear that most students would feel very uncomfortable. They would feel unsafe. So I think it's great that we're canceling this lease, or going to cancel this lease. But yeah, thank you guys for sharing that information with us.
Can you go back to that the image when you're walking on that field, you see the lights next to it. It looks very similar. Anyway.
Totally. I didn't know what that tower was until a few years ago, and I walked by it every single day. Like I said, I remember when it went up. So yeah, thank you all for coming and for sharing. And it looks like, luckily, it's a discussion item. We don't need to vote. We can just tell T-Mobile goodbye for now.